Hot Beauty Hair sent me this wig, and of course you get the bag, and then you get another bag on the inside that has all kinds of goodies in it, and then you get a wig cap for installation. So this is what the wig looks like. It's a really pretty auburn Cajun spice kind of color, and here's what the inside looks like. It's not quite a closure, not quite a frontal. It's kind of like two in one. So on the inside you get 4 combs and 2 elastic bands, and this is what the lace looks like. So when I ended up installing the wig, I honestly didn't even bleach the knots, because by the time I did my ball cap and I put makeup inside the lace, you couldn't really see the knots. So now I'm doing my, y'all know my routine. I wash the wig and then I blow dry it and I style it. So for one, you are always supposed to blow dry, wash your wigs before you even wear them, because that's just law. Like, you want your wigs to be clean before you wear them. So now I'm using my Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum, and I am flat ironing my wig before I curl it, because you're supposed to. So here's what the wig looks like after I flat ironed it. Honestly, it wasn't thick enough for my liking, but it was still cute. So now I'm plucking the wig, and I honestly didn't have to do a ton of plucking, but honestly, I don't care how pre-plucked a wig comes. I'm always gonna go in and pluck as much as I want to. So I didn't really have to do a lot of plucking, but I had to do just a little bit. I had to do just a little bit of plucking. I wanted to thin it out closer to like from my temples. That was really the area that I wanted to thin out, because it was looking kind of bulky in the front. So I just plucked that. So I'm done plucking, and now I'm about to curl the wig. So my curlers, I think they are like a 1 1/4 inch or a 1/4 inch barrel. I know that they're smaller than a 1/2 inch. So I was really going for a tighter curl this time, because like tighter curls make the hair look thicker, and in my opinion the wig was kind of thin. I think it's a 180 density, and whenever I get a wig it's always like a 200 density, so that's why I was going for a smaller curl. So now I'm curling the closure and the frontal. So I have a little ritual that I do. I put a wax stick on the top, and then I hot comb the front. I just like the way it looks. So now I'm finished with the last curl, and I'm gonna pin it up. So I've really been into pin curls lately, and now you can see why. It's just it's really satisfying just to see some nice pin curls. Like, you can clearly tell that it holds a curl. So when I curled it, I sprayed Got to Be Glued on every single piece of hair that I curled. I'm not sure if that made a difference or not. I'm pretty sure that it didn't. As for shedding goes, I'm getting like 1 to 2 strings, and when I washed it I didn't get a whole bunch of shedding either. And as far as parting space goes, I have a side part, but you can see that it's not going all the way back because there's lace on this side. So it's kind of like a frontal, but it's kind of like a 5x5, 6x6 closure. So you have this lace on the side, like this much parting space in the middle. So like you can do like a kind of deep side part like I did. You can do a middle part, or you can do a side part on the side like this, but just keep in mind that you won't be able to do those really long, really dramatic, deep side parts like you would want to with a regular frontal, but you still have quite a bit of parting space. We don't have anything bad to say about this wig. It's, you know, it's cute. You can clearly tell that it holds a curl. Why I curled this was because it was looking kind of thin when it was straight. If you come to the end of this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past and the link to this wig. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.